Still, up to this point, neither of us had actually seen a person out there, so our heads were naturally thinking to any other excuse to explain this. But then the thumping started again, hitting the side wall of the cabin near one of the bedrooms. It moved along the wall, not just in one spot. This went on for hours, brief pauses for a bit, only for it to start up again. And through the whole night, we just didn't know what to do. Just before sunrise, it stopped, and didn't start again. When the sun was up, and with the snowfall slowing down, we both put on our jackets and went outside with kitchen knives in hand to look around. All over the outer walls were huge dents, scuffs, and scratches in the wood. It hardly looked natural, or like something someone would do, because it wasn't like they were trying to break in. They were just hitting the wall for some unknown reason. Obviously, that morning, we got the hell out of there, not getting any answers or explanation. And with the door being open in the middle of the night, now feeling a lot less coincidental, we felt very unsafe. It was a really big reality check for us, though, because, of course, now looking back on it, we should have called the cops. We were just young, and in the moment, it was so strange and confusing that we just didn't. I don't know what was happening or who was out in that forest by the cabin, but I think it was clear that they did not want us to be there.